Hello everyone, this is Ms.Yamada and I am back with another Phonics Read Aloud. Today's Read Aloud is Tenpin Penguins by Punter and David Semple, and this is the second book in the Phonics series. And phonics is the sounds of the letters or combinations of the letters that are then put together to make words. So in the story, you will hear the ending sounds of the words and they'll sound the same. So let's read the second book in the phonics series, Tenpin Penguins. At the Penguins Bowling Alley, there's a contest on today. The winner gets a crate of fish. They just can't wait to play. Whoever knocks down 50 pins takes home the splendid prize. Benji's first to bowl at ball. Just watch the shot, he cries. His ball is really speedy, but I've missed the pins. Oh no! The ball goes rolling down a slope and grows a coat of snow. Benji's next turn comes around. I need an awesome score. He doesn't hit a single pin. I've gone wrong like before. Next time, Benji tries too hard. His ball flies through the air. His fourth ball zooms off skyward too and lands up who knows where. Benji has one final try, but thanks to icy snow, the ball has frozen to his wing. Oh my, I can't let go. Whoa, moans Benji in a daze. He spins head over tail. At least he strikes a pin this time, as out of sight it sails. Penny Penguin takes the prize. She knocked down every pin. Poor Benji only managed one. He's sad he didn't win. But as the penguins waddle home, there comes an odd surprise. A snowman with a red pin nose and bowling balls for eyes. Did you make this? Sea Lion asks. I guess so, Benji sighs. It's a South Pole snowman contest, son, and you just won first prize. The end. Thank you for listening, and make sure to click the links below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a good day.